Oh, you're just jealous, that's all it was. Will you... Hey, fancy a swim? Go on, Ed. Well, hey! What's it like? It's freezing! I'll have you in now.
Police and Welsh Water have warned of the dangers of swimming in reservoirs after a teenager drowned today. Jack Morgan was walking home from football practice.
I thought it was very informative. It was concise, straight to the point.
It's a short film, it just basically gets to the point. It's really concise.
I think it had quite a large impact on me, and seeing it on the big screen really put things in perspective how dangerous reservoirs can actually be.
It really shocked me because I didn't know how fast you could drown in a reservoir, and all the equipment and how cold it could be.
Makes you think about swimming in reservoirs, and I probably wouldn't do it again.
I never thought of the machinery and how cold it could be and how easily you could just drown or die or whatever.
After watching, I would most certainly not swim in any reservoirs at all. Definitely not.